Okay, folks, let's get back to working on some IXL. One of the things that I want to work on and have some videos for you to watch is about complete sentences or fragments and run-ons. This is definitely something that a lot of you are struggling with, and it's a pretty common thing to struggle with. In fact, when I have Mr. Hutch check my papers for my grad school, lots of times the things that he points out to me are about fragments or run-ons. So it's a good thing to practice because good writers, which we want you all to be, are good with or are strong with this skill. Okay. Oops, got to sign in. Okay. So let's start with, is it a complete sentence or a fragment? Sometimes you can hear it when you read them aloud. The interior designer styled our living room with fashionable new decor and describes her decorating style as mid-century antique. These are both pretty long, and it might be kind of difficult to figure this one out. So what I want you to do is I want you to, if you're not sure, look and see, do I have a subject? So a subject doesn't mean is there just a noun. It's, is there a noun that is doing an action? So in this case, the interior designer. And then do I have a predicate? A predicate usually involves a verb or a helping verb. So in this case, styled. And then sometimes it's because the interior designer styled doesn't make sense either, even though that's got a subject and a verb, because we need to know what she styled. So styled our living room with fashionable new decor. Down here, if I look, I have a predicate. I have describes her decorating style, but I don't have a subject. I don't have anybody that is doing the describing. So that means it's a fragment. Oops, I didn't even read the instructions. I was supposed to say which one was the fragment, and I chose the wrong one. Sugar and salt dissolve easily in water. Received a warning due to the heavy snowstorm expected to hit tomorrow. So sugar and salt is our subject. Dissolve easily in water is our predicate. Received a warning. This part is our predicate. We don't have a subject. So I need to pay attention to what the actual instructions are. And I need to mark the one that's the complete sentence. Okay? Which is a complete sentence. More than 50 reviews of the new video game console. This is a subject, because the reviews is the thing. But what about the reviews? Say that it stinks, say that it's awesome, say that everybody should buy it? I don't know. So I'm thinking this is the fragment. All living things on Earth contain the element carbon. So all living things on Earth is my subject, and contain the element carbon is my predicate, because contain is a verb. Oops. So complete sentence. There we go. Sentence fragment. Which one is the fragment? In August 2012, the Curiosity rover landed on Mars. I don't think this is a fragment. Curiosity rover is a subject and landed on Mars as a predicate. Prefers a flat finish over a glossy one when printing black and white images. So I'm missing my subject. I don't know who prefers that. Never spoke of Josie's secret to anyone except for her. Who never spoke of Josie's secret? So that's probably the fragment because I'm missing my subject. Let me double check. Kelsey replaced the broken fuse in the fuse box. Kelsey's my subject. Replace the broken fuse is my predicate. So this one is the fragment, which is a complete sentence. Africa is home to some of the world's oldest civilizations. I think this one is the complete sentence because Africa is the subject and is home to. Is a verb, remember, it's usually a helping verb. But it's a state of being. So is home is still a predicate. Dairy products such as cheese and milk. So this is just a subject. There's no predicate there. What is a complete sentence? My parents' business flourishing thanks to online advertising. That doesn't really sound right. I've got my parents' business, which is a subject. Flourishing is a verb, thanks to online advertising. That would be the predicate, but I'm missing my is. I'm missing that helping verb. So I think this one's a fragment. Haley always enchants audiences with the raw emotion in her performances. So Haley is our subject and always enchants audiences is the beginning of our predicate. So this is a complete sentence, not that one. The Junior Soccer League commences its new season in January. So the Junior Soccer League is my subject, commences its new season in January is my predicate. I think this one is a full sentence. Dented both the fender and the bumper of our new car early this morning. Who dented it? Was it the dad? Was it your brother? I don't know. I'm missing my subject. So that's the fragment. Which is the sentence fragment. The Modern Art Museum's award for most promising young artist was awarded to Grace, or was not given this year, or I'm missing a predicate. This is just the subject. So I think this is my fragment. Let's double check. At dawn, the sailors hoisted the cargo onto the ship. The sailors is my subject and hoisted the cargo is my predicate. This is a full thought, a full sentence. So that's my fragment. Which one is a sentence fragment? Denise determined the diameter of the circle. The next door neighbors of my elderly grandparents. So this has a subject, but bought them groceries, raked their lawn, painted the house, had a party. I don't know what the predicate is. So this is going to be my fragment. Which is a sentence fragment. More than 90% of calico cats are female. Mrs. Jackson giving several of her old coats to the charity drive. So more than 90% of calico cats is my subject. Are, remember, is a verb. Female, this is state of being. So the state of being is being female. So that's my predicate. I've got a subject and I've got part of a predicate, but I'm missing my helping verb. So this is going to be a fragment. Sometimes feels nervous and uncomfortable when speaking in front of large groups. I don't know who they're talking about, so my guess is this is the fragment because I don't have a subject. News reports alerted everyone in the area to the approaching tornado. So news reports is my subject, alerted everyone in the area is my predicate. This is a full sentence. Is this a sentence fragment? Johnny's antique apple chair was an artistically hand-woven seat. This is not a sentence fragment because Johnny's antique apple chair, or maple chair, is the subject. Oh, with an artistically hand-woven seat. Nope, this is all a subject. There's no predicate. So it's a good thing I read it again. So yes, this is a fragment. Which is a complete sentence. My older brother's contact lens case and eye solution were stolen, got left behind, ran out, broke, I don't know. So I'm missing my predicate. Damon texted me the page numbers for the homework assignment. Damon's my subject and texted me is the beginning of our predicate. So this is our complete sentence. Wiped the sweat from her brow after sprinting across the finish line. Is that Kaya? Is it Jalen? Is it Parker? Is it Grace? I don't know. I know it's a female because, or a girl, or somebody who identifies as a girl because it says from her brow. Okay, so this is a sentence fragment. I have no subject. Displays her most prized possessions on the mantle in the living room. Again, no subject, so no, it is not a complete sentence. Trent performing on stage. I'm missing my is performing, so this is missing the helping verb. Luke graduating with a degree in Russian literature. I wonder what Luke is going to do with his degree in Russian literature. It's not a complete sentence, though. I think they're really trying to drive home the fact that if you have something like this, you need to have a helping verb with it, which is a complete sentence. Is an expert at distinguishing safe mushrooms from poisonous ones. Don't know who the expert is. Can expect warmer temperatures. I don't know who's expecting the warmer temperatures. For breakfast, this restaurant serves eggs with biscuits and gravy. This is my subject. Serves as the beginning of my predicate. So this one is the complete sentence. A leap year typically occurs over every 4 years. So subject typically occurs beginning of my predicate. A long pleated skirt with a floral print would look nice. I don't know. I'm missing my predicate there. So I'm thinking that's the fragment. The measles virus causes a rash, fever, cough, and runny nose. So there's the measles virus as my subject and causes a rash, fever, cough, and runny nose as my predicate. So this one is the sentence fragment. I'm not going to talk through these last ones, but you can kind of see me do them. This is missing is. This is missing is also. Walnuts stay fresh longer in the refrigerator or freezer. This is not a sentence fragment. Are dry. That is a sentence fragment. Caribou feed on. Is this a complete sentence? Yes. Barged through. Gestured for me. Don't know who either of these are. The coach criticized. That would be the complete sentence. Michael going to the movies. Missing is. At the auction, I bid on an antique dresser. That's probably it. Layers and layers of cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, and onions. What about them are in the recipe? I don't know. Our hockey team mascot is a grizzly bear. So this is not. One more. The author dedicated his next book to his mother. Or the author dedicating his next book to his mother is dedicating. So no, this is not a complete sentence. All right, so good luck.